Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. If you're here for the first time, my name is Melinda. In this video, I am kicking off my 12 days of tablescapes. I will be sharing with you these ideas from December the 12th through the 23rd at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Day 1, we are going to create a beautiful, simple Christmas green tablescape. Here is some inspiration for you. Keep on watching. Day 1, we are going to keep it simple and not formal. We're not going to add any glassware or flatware to the tablescape because I'm going to be sharing in this series ways that you can style your tables, make them formal, make them informal, have them where they are just like screaming glam. I'm going to be doing some rustic tablescapes as well. So you're going to have a variety. We're going to also do some non-traditional colors. And I'm also going to be sharing with you some islandscapes as well. How you can decorate your island in your kitchen for that extra space for your guests. Or just that beautiful touch in your kitchen. Okay, I like doing that, and what I'm going to show you there is definitely budget friendly because we're not going to use a lot of glass dinnerware. We're going to use some plastic or melamine dinnerware at the island, so that gives you variety. A lot of times when I'm hosting and there's going to be children, I like to sit the children to the island to eat and allow the adults to sit at the table. So we're just going to keep going with this. This is budget friendly. The centerpiece was created using a pool noodle technique, using some Dollar Tree candle holders as well as candles. The placemats there from Hobby Lobby. The chargers, they are beautiful, a beautiful Christmas green. They are from Rose's department store. The dinnerware, these are Dollar General dinnerware, $1 each. And the custom napkin rings were made by your girl. So if you like what you see here today, and you enjoyed this video and you're not a part of the family, I'm suggesting that you subscribe, hit the bell as well. Thumbs it up if you like what you like, anything. And leave me a comment about what it is that you do like. Let's take an up close and personal look, y'all. Now, if you are interested in seeing how these napkin rings were created, comment down below napkin rings and I will link the video. They are super duper easy and budget friendly. This beautiful centerpiece, OMG, I love using the pool noodle to create centerpieces, swags, and all of that, y'all. You can't go wrong. The chargers, look at the green in the chargers, stunningly beautiful. I do believe I paid like $129 for these last year. The dinnerware, you're going to need some plain white or off-white dinnerware if you are just getting into table styling, because guess what? They're going to be the staple. They're going to be the hit. They're going to go with every tablescape. Okay, every tablescape. So I appreciate you watching the video from the beginning to this point. It definitely helps me out. Newbies, you are a blessing for being here. Oldies but goodies, y'all know how I feel about you. I can't do this without you all. Every one of you are a blessing. Whether you just watch the videos and you don't comment, you don't like, and even if you're not a part of the family, but your views count as well. So thank you so very much. And Merry Christmas to you all. Wishing you all a blessed, a prosperous, a healthy new year. I'm going to catch y'all in the next Tablescape. There's 11 more to go. And if you're catching this video on the 5th or 8th day, there's going to be a playlist linked below with everything so you can catch up. Just let it ride, baby. And binge watch for me. All right? Blessings to you all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.